Welcome to this Archibus overview. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the world's leading integrated workplace management system. Archibus provides an all-in-one solution for managing every aspect of your facilities and real estate portfolio, from space planning and occupancy to capital budgeting and project management. With its intuitive space planning module, you can optimize your workspace utilization, ensuring that every square foot is used efficiently. Simplify complex moves with the Archibus Move Management module. Plan, execute, and evaluate moves of any scale. Minimize downtime and ensure a smooth transition with this comprehensive tool. The Capital Budgeting module allows you to plan, track, and manage your organization's capital investments with ease. And with the Project Management module, you can keep all projects on track and within budget. Welcome to the Archibus Corrective Maintenance module. Here, you can manage and track your facilities management requests in real time, from identifying issues to assigning tasks and tracking progress. This module ensures your operations run smoothly. The Archibus Preventive Maintenance module is all about proactive management. Schedule regular inspections and service to maintain your assets and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Keep your facilities running optimally with planned preventive care. With the Archibus On-Site mobile app, managing your facilities has never been more convenient. Access critical data, submit requests, and monitor progress right from your mobile device. Stay connected and informed no matter where you are. The Archibus Real Property module provides comprehensive oversight of your property portfolio. Track leases, evaluate performance, and make strategic decisions based on accurate, up-to-date information. Optimize your property investments with ease. The Archibus Enterprise Asset Management module helps you keep a pulse on all your assets, from acquisition to disposal. Track lifecycle costs, utilization, and condition. Make informed decisions about asset repair, replacement, and capital planning. Scheduling shared spaces is a breeze with the Archibus Reservations module. Book meeting rooms, equipment, or even parking spaces efficiently. Avoid double booking and optimize space usage with this intuitive tool. The Archibus Hoteling module makes flexible working seamless. Reserve workspaces on an as-needed basis, accommodating remote work and flexible schedules. Enhance productivity and employee satisfaction with this modern solution. The Archibus Workplace app puts the power of facilities management in your hands. Access services, reserve spaces, navigate facilities, and more, all from your smartphone. Experience a new level of convenience and control. Mitigate risk and promote sustainability with the Archibus Sustainability and Risk module. Monitor compliance, track environmental performance, and manage emergency preparedness. Protect your organization while promoting green practices. But Archibus isn't just about software, it's about enabling businesses to thrive. It's about streamlining operations, reducing costs, and making strategic decisions based on real-time data. Join the thousands of organizations worldwide who trust Archibus to manage their most valuable assets, their people, spaces, and infrastructures. Want to learn more? Visit our website or contact us today for a personalized demo. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching today.